that case this rock will float of water. What is
It is there, na? That because of that written Ram, yes, na? Actually scientific reason.
but scientific reason scientific reason is there.
Sir, but also if you consider the scientific reason, the volcanoes which can contain these types of rocks are not near that Sri Lanka area. They are towards the
They are
north.
transported from
So
another
how
place.
they can?
They are transported from another place.
But at that time, how these much weight they
Because
can?
these rocks are sitting on the water. They are easily be transported.
This one,
Therefore,
this one the research led to another is that how the rocks were brought from that part to
yes, that is also part of the research. But there is a basic property of iron rock. Rock can float on the water. And made up from the water. So that transportation way is actually very easy as compared to the road.
Means that rocks, all that, as we know that the logs of wood were transported just putting into that, which one? Into the river. Yes, and with the flow of that water. Yes, na?
Help of water flow
Yes.
can easily transport that
That
particular
technique, means that the boat technique. Yes, water transport. That technique is used in that.
For the transportation of the
That's
rock.
why. And it becomes easy in any corner because it is
And because of the size of that particular rock,
yes.
that can be able to carry the load in
Yes, it
respect
can
to
be
ratio.
yes.
Exactly.
Density is there, less density, that's why it is floating. And that property of that saline water, actually, it is located Sri Lanka Island, just like an island. So that all that is that rock, salty water. Saline it is high, density is high, that is the only for benefit.
Benefit for the
And
transportation.
that's why it become easy to build up it. Yes. Yes, ask to sir.
Now, this only I remember. Now our rivers merge into streams.
Ocean.
Yes, ocean has salty water. Then why is salt transported to our Krishna river? Why does Krishna river is salty?
Because of the volume. Because the load and the height difference. That's what the idea. Because water will always flow from high height to the low height. So that's what because of
If a river is flowing here and we put some
if,
water here,
if
water
the
will-
ocean level is higher than the river, then only water of the ocean can come into the river up to the some extent where that ocean surface doesn't match the height of the river.
No, sir. That his question is that do you understand what he's saying? When the suppose that there is a flow of water, and if you put a soil, then what will happen? The soil gets sediment go back. Yes, na? Yes, na? That only, na? So why
He
not that?
actually asking why salt if it doesn't come into the river.
Yes.
Yes. So because of that property, because the flow of the river and the thrust force of the river water is actually high as compared to the ocean water because the height difference.
Yes.
Yes. And this is the basic property of water. Water can only flow from high to the low because of the gravity action. Okay. So ocean height suppose 0 over here and river height is 5 over here. Then obviously water can flow from 5 to 0, not from 0 to 5.
Okay, sir. One question can I ask? See, a tree is there. Okay, transportation. Roots absorb water.
Because of the capillary.
Yeah. Yes. That.
That phenomenon is called
Yes,
capillary
phenomenon,
action.
yes.
Capillary
Because
action.
water can upward. That is a it is
That is
exception now.
just because of the capillary
Yes,
action.
it is a
Because
fluid.
surface
It is a fluid.
It is a fluid.
Yes, yes. Yes, that
अरे
it is
माझे
a-
That is depends on the surface.
exception. Yes, it is an exception.
You can see that in
Yellow dress
wall of our houses. Also can absorb
Yes,
water
yes. Absorb the water.
from the ground. And they will become a fluid.
Yes.
That is because of the
Yes.
capillary
I
action.
mean, if we put a filter paper in here, the water will also
Yes,
go.
same phenomena can apply over there also. That is called capillary action. They can suck air suddenly because the surface tension of the you can say that particular gap, air gap, it is less than the surface tension of water. When it touch the water surface, then the surface tension air is over. They can push the air
Okay.
to outside of that vent. Okay, and when the air can goes on the from the vent, then they can suck the water. So,
Okay.
that's
Answer.
the capillary action.
Yes. And one thing is that in that block, I seen that one experiment was there. That rock, it produces the heat. drop, when we put the drops of water onto that rock, a typical
That
type
is
of
actually
rock.
calcium carbonate.
Yes.
Exothermic reaction.
So
done
what
over.
reaction happens there?
Done.
Thank
There
you.
is an exothermic reaction done over. Exothermic reaction is called. At that time, they can produce the heat. That reaction. There are the two type of reaction. One is endothermic and the exothermic. At the place where they, you can see that rock, there is the calcium carbonate pure. They can react with the water, release the hydrogen gas, H2S.
Yes,
hydrogen
H2S, yes,
gas.
that's it.
And they can produce the heat. That's why it can generate the heat. They can use for the gas welding also.
Gas will.
Then our chalk is also made of calcium carbonate. Then
But
why
the purity and the it's you can say the intensity of that is less. Because with the calcium carbonate in our rock, it is a mixture of clay.
Mixture of
Clay
clay.
or binding. That's the
ठीक है प्ले के साथ
And that filter paper, the chalk also can perform the work of filter paper. Yes. Yes. If there is no availability of filter paper, we can use chalk also.
where voids can available gas that can be produced as
Yes.
gas can be out and water can be sucked into that.
Takes the place of that
It's
gas.
like our syringe.
But in syringe we can apply the force.
Here it applies the force pipes.
Can act as a
सिल्वर
capillary.
डबल है
The action can
होती है वाला